Welcome to part 5 of the Enoshima Island. Today we're going to explore the wonders of the island. We're going deep inside into the caves. So join me in this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to find out what's inside. And like always, stay tuned till the end to find out the preview to my next video. $5 for adults or 500 yen. So they say there's a dragon at the end, so let's go and check it out.
2 tickets for the cave.
Let's do it. Let's check out the cave. Feels like a subway station.
Yeah.
Well, walking through this cave, I definitely feel like I'm inside of some subway station.
No sharks here, just all nice looking fish.
No sharks?
No
Impossible.
sharks.
What about the big sardine?
He's a baby sardine.
Cave 1, Cave 2. Wow, that's crazy. There are 2 different caves here, starting with the bigger cave number 1. The first thing you see is this incredible stone standing some distance away in a pool of water. Eventually we will get to this original place of Enoshima Shrine. Okay. Preparation for the dragon. Wow.
It's so cool to put this barrier up so you don't get wet. That's nice.
This barrier so you don't get wet from all the water coming from the top of the cave. The Enoshima Caves are officially known as the Iwaya Caves and are located an hour and a half from the central Tokyo. Inside this cave, there's an original Enoshima Shrine which was built by the emperor over 1500 years ago. An interesting fact is that these caves were eroded by the ocean and eventually risen up by a multitude of earthquakes. As you walk deeper, the cave splits into 2 paths. The left leg extends about 152 meters or just under 500 feet from this entrance all the way to the end. The little statues throughout this leg are the goddesses of the Enoshima Island. Heading back, let's go to the other leg, on the right side as you face the entrance. Very low in here. Very low in this cave. This is Amaterasu, which is the sun goddess sitting here in peace.
Wow. Birthplace of Enoshima Shrine.
Finally, we reached the original birthplace of the Enoshima Shrine. Upon completion of this shrine, many prominent samurais and famous monks made pilgrimages here. As you can see, it is very tiny and small. Heading out of this path, you will pass by a Buddhist statue. Should we go to cave number 2?
Come down here before it was like lit.
Yeah.
So scary.
Look at this water. Oh, it's so cool in here now. Cooler. All the way down where we just came from, it was very warm and humid with water dripping on the sides of the rocks. Coming out here, it definitely feels much breezier and cooler. Also above, you can see the safety nettings for falling rocks. This cave overall is much safer when it was originally eroded. Whew, it's so much cooler in here.
Yeah.
The views here are very stunning with lots of tide pools.
Got our stamp.
I got a bunch of stamps everywhere. Oh wow.
Oh, this is so cool. It feels cold now though.
Feels very open here, beautiful, with very nice and sunny weather. Came through the caves. I actually did not even realize how deep the caves go. They go all the way into this mountain here, and as you get all the way inside the caves, it feels very warm. It's dark, so I cannot even imagine going there without a light. It was very, very spectacular. Very amazing feeling, and I definitely suggest you visit the caves if you've never been to these caves here. Let's make our way to the second smaller cave where hopefully we will encounter the dragon and see if it truly exists. Right off the bat you can feel how much tighter this cave is, so make sure to watch your head as you go forward. It also seems a little brighter in here. The dragon that we will eventually get to at the end of this cave used to be responsible for many destructions and hardships. Eventually the Benzaiten Goddess subdued the dragon and later it became a deity guardian of the local fishermen. Try clapping your hands in front of it and you will witness thunder and lightning. Do you hear the dragon?
Yes.
Wow. These caves are much bigger than the ones in Kamakura. Alright, so which way do we pick? What about the right?
That's where we came from.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. Good observant eye. You passed the test.
You got like lag bolts all in there.
Right, so that rocks don't fall. Oh, this is where I did not enter.
See how they also did that.
That's cool. The first cave?
Yeah.
It's a little deeper, but still kind of like amazing. I wonder why there are like no beds here. It's well worth it to get here, huh? Heading all the way out to the exit, this was a breathtaking experience that I would highly recommend to anybody visiting Japan. Navigating inside the caves are a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and hopefully this tour gave you some perspective.
古いものでは江戸時代のものも確認されています。ゴールドだ。
In the next Enoshima Island video part 6, we're going to explore the stunning area outside the caves. Let's climb around the tide pools, walk on the cliffs, and try some amazing food. See you in the next video, only in Epic Travel Adventures. And if you want to see more awesome videos, then make sure to follow, subscribe, like, and of course hit that bell down below so that you do not miss any of my new content. See you in my next video.